Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a tortoise manicure. Now this is such a classic print that really wears pretty beautifully on the nails. It is so incredibly easy to create and I am actually shocked that I was able to do this, but I created it with 3 colors from the Lights Lacquer Tortoise set, but you don't need to use their colors exclusively. You probably already have polishes at home that work just as well. So this mani is really trending right now and I'm so excited to show you guys how to hop on the bandwagon. While I could stare at footage of this manicure all day, we need to get started. So let's jump right into it. The first color we're going to use is Michelangelo. It's a translucent caramel with yellow undertones, and we're just going to go ahead and paint a nice coat of this onto our nail. Now, if you have anything similar at home, feel free to use it. Just make sure that it's a little more translucent. You don't want an opaque or completely sheer polish. You really want something with that jelly finish. Next, we're going to grab Raphael. This is a translucent, rich brown with red undertones. And we're going to start dabbing this kind of around the perimeter of the nail, just making some spots, making a couple little blobs, if you will. The best part about this design is you don't have to be perfect. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. You just want to make sure that you're distributing an even amount of this color over that yellow. I should have mentioned before, but we don't want the first coat to be completely dry when we add these spots because we want the polishes to sort of bleed together. All right, the third color we're going to use is Donatello, and this is a translucent walnut brown. And what we're going to do with this one is very similar to what we did with the previous polish and just add some brown spots on top of those red spots and a little bit throughout the rest of the nail just to create some depth. This is going to give it that deep warmth. It's really going to tie the tortoise look together. Again, we want to apply this when the previous polish is still a little wet so that the colors do bleed together to create the perfect look. Once you're comfortable with the design and it's pretty much dry, we're going to go back in with the lightest shade, Michelangelo, and paint a coat over the entire nail. While that lighter top coat is still a little damp, we're going to go back in with our red, Raphael, and add a few more spots on top of the spots we did before. This is just going to help deepen up the design, really make it pop, make it super bold, and just tie it all together. You could go back in with the brown as well, but I liked how it looked, so I just stuck to adding a little more red. Once your nails feel dry to the touch, apply a generous amount of your favorite top coat for that perfect glossy finish, and don't forget to cap the edge. And that's it. Once you're done, you can just stare in awe at this beautiful masterpiece that you just created and try not to be completely shocked with your skills. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with myself for creating this manicure. It's gorgeous. It's perfect. I am so in love with it. And as someone who doesn't usually like nail art on their nails, I think I may have officially jumped ship. I don't know. What should I try next? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I would really appreciate it. And leave me a comment below letting me know if you've rocked a tortoise manicure before or if you might give this one a try. I think you should. And if you do, be sure to tag me on Instagram if you post your mani. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.